Muri Rayon Sport Javier Martinez Espinoza ni muntu ki?
As well, I'm a head coach. I'm from Mexico. I'm very glad to be here.
Ndi umutoza mukuru wa Rayon Sport. Nturutse mu gihugu cya Mexique. Nishimiye kuba hano mu Rwanda. Uwo ndiwe birumvikana ngiye guhangana n'andi makipe ya hano mu Rwanda. Ariko intego no gutwara ibikombe. Nishimiye rero kuba mu Rwanda ariko kandi nditeguye.
Rayon Sport and I'm ready for this challenge and also I'm very happy to be here in Rwanda.
Waba waramenye Rayon Sport ryari?
When I was in Uganda, I was in bypass. And yes, Rayon Sport.
Birumvikana nayimenye igihe nari mu gihugu cya Uganda. Ni ikipe izwi muri Afurika by'umwihariko muri Afurika y'Uburasirazuba. Ndayizi cyane. Najyaga nkurikira imikino yayo buri weekend. Nkareba imikinire yayo. Birumvikana iri ku rwego rwo hejuru. Kandi inshuro nyinshi twari ibikombe.
A big standards and they always try to get the championships everywhere.
Ku bijyanye n'uyu mukino bamaze gukina abakinyi bawe wabonye ute?
Well, my reaction is very obvious. We are in pre-season. Actually, these games are very important for us. Sometimes they come in a little bit tough. The pre-season.
Mu by'ukuri cyo navuga kuri umukino mbonye wa Rayon Sport. Turi muri pre-season kandi murabizi pre-season iragora. Nabibonye ariko hagomba kubamo impinduka kubera ko dufite abakinyi beza kandi nanone dufite n'abakinyi batandatu bari mu ikipe y'igihugu. Mu by'ukuri nababonye neza ariko tuzakomeza dukore dushyiremo imbaraga.
Actually we have 6 players in national team and that's why sometimes you don't see many people in the pitch, but actually for me the evaluation is very good. We have to work a little bit more in some lines, but for me it was very good.
Niye ntego wahawe na komite ya Rayon Sport?
The Rayon always the Rayon expectations are always to be champion everywhere. So I have that goal.
Rayon Sport ni ikipe itwara ibikombe hariho hose. Birumvikana nanjye niyo ntego mfite kuva nagera mu ikipe. Ndabizi no guhatana kandi nishimiye kubana nabo kandi nditeguye.
So I'm very glad that they trust me because I know that this challenge is for me. I'm very proud about it and also I'm ready for this. So yes, the standard, like I say, the standards are very high and I know about it and I'm ready for that.
Rayon Sport ni ikipe ifite abafana benshi hano muri Afurika y'Uburasirazuba ndetse na hano mu Rwanda. Akenshi bashyira igitutu ku mutoza mu gushaka intsinzi. Waba witeguye gukora muri ubwo buryo?
Big teams, big challenges.
Ikipe nini buri gihe isaba ibintu byinshi kandi nditeguye.
Asante sana.
Murakoze.
Merci. Murakoze.